How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today I am talking about Weeble, and I will just give the disclaimer, I do talk about them a lot. They are affiliate of mine, and I wanted to give a very honest review because there are some things that I really love about Weeble. There's some things that I think they need to work on, or just some user interface things that I don't necessarily like as much as other applications. But overall, I really like the application. And I want to talk about it just so that it's out there, what I think about it, what I use it for. And I will apologize up front because this is being recorded on my computer, which is how I used to record it before I started using my phone. It's a lot lower quality, but I need my phone in the video, so we're just going to film here. So I'm going to put my phone up on this side of the screen, and we'll follow along here. So this is a stock investing app that I really enjoy. I use it every day. And we're going to go through each screen on Weeble and talk about what I like about it in general. So as you can see here, this is the watch list screen. So you can put different watch lists. So right now I usually use my M1 portfolio, which I ended up just putting all my stocks in. So every stock that I'm interested in comes up here. And as you can see here, it's pretty easy to find all your different stocks. You can sort differently throughout here. But if we're looking at NAT stock, let's say, we can take a look at the stock, we can take a look at the candlestick charts. So I don't usually use candlesticks because I'm not a big technical trader. I invest more for value, but if you like that, this is really the app to do it because you can look at a whole different level of information here. And as we scroll down, you can look at news. So anything that's come out that has been related to the stock, you can take a look at here. You can also take a look at the comments. So this is something that I actually really enjoy. So if you see a stock that's gone up in value a lot and for some reason you can't figure out why it's gone up or it's gone down, you can take a look at the comments here. Now, of course, this is the internet, so not everything is true on here, but you can kind of take a look and see what people are saying. Maybe they have a better idea than you do of what's going on. Now, I will say before I go any further too, there are links if you want to use Weeble down in the description below. If you sign up, you do get 2 free stocks if you deposit $100, and each of them can be worth up to $1,400. So if you sign up for 10 minutes, you could get potentially $2,800. So it's a pretty good investment on your time there. But we're going to continue through the app. So there's this tab that shows all the different stocks and comments and news and all that. And I didn't look quite as in-depth as you can, but if you look here, you can also see analysis. So you can see the buy rating, you can see different press releases, you can see the financials, you can see all different types of things on here. You can also look at the Explore tab, which is the Markets tab. You can look at different stocks, different indexes, how they've done. This is the screen where you kind of look at your actual portfolio. So it can tell you the market value, the cash balance, all that kind of stuff. It shows you your holdings down here. So right now I only have a couple different stocks here. I usually sell off the free stocks that I get and then reinvest in either this app or in Robinhood or M1. So I have links to those below too. But as you can see here, you can see your different cash balance. If you want to make a trade, you go right to quick trade. You can, let's say you want to get Scorpio tankers or something. You can put a market order, stop order, limit order, all that kind of stuff. You can also work in extended hours on this app, which is one of the best things about it, I think, honestly, because normal stock market apps are open, like Robinhood's open when the market's open, 9:30 to 4 Eastern time. So apps like M1 are open even less time than that. So M1 only has a buying window at one point throughout the day. So if you haven't put in your order by then, it's not going to be filled. Now with Weeble, you can invest, I believe, from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. So that's an amazing amount of time, especially if you're not in Eastern time zone. It gives you a lot more flexibility to buy. And if you see something after market hours, it's nice too. That's something that I enjoy from here. Now you can also go to the community tab. They have different stuff in here. I usually don't pay too much attention to this. And then if you go over here, you can see your free stocks. You can see messages. It's pretty nice because this application has a lot of different bonuses that they have in it. So you get the original deposit bonus. If you help someone else sign up, you get extra bonuses. They do these things like the 2nd anniversary celebration. If you just do a couple different things, like you had to invite someone else and get them to sign up, you have to post to social media, you have to deposit $100, and then you get in this raffle for a free share of Google stock, which is worth, I think, $1,200 or $1,400. So you can do that. They also have different promotions where, like, invitation bonuses. So if you invite someone else, say you invite your significant other and you help them sign up, you get the 2 free stocks worth up to $1,200, and so do they, or $1,400. Then you can also transfer accounts to Weeble. So if you transfer enough, I think you can get up to 35 free shares if you have a really sizable account somewhere else. And you can do options trading, advanced quote bonuses, stuff like that. So I really like the app. I don't trade on it all that much or buy stocks on it. I do some just because it's really nice to be able to buy after hours. But I don't like the layout quite as much as something like M1. And that's just because I like the user interface. Now, I will say this is pretty attractive if you like technical trading. I think that's what a lot of people do on here because of all the candlestick charts. It's really easy to research on here compared to other apps. Now, I am someone that doesn't do that too much, so it's hard for me to read these sometimes. But I really do like the app. I'm not just pushing it for the bonus or anything like that. I mean, there are enough different ways that you can make money on YouTube and through different affiliates. I'm not really worried about that. I'm not trying to push something that I don't believe in. I look at this app every day to look at my watch list and to, check up on different promotions. So if that's something that you're interested in, again, I have links below if you want that. It's a pretty great app, and let me know what you guys think of it below. I would appreciate you telling me in the comments what you think, and I will see you in the next video. Again, if you don't mind hitting the thumbs up too, just like always, that really helps out the channel. Thanks.